everyone. I hope you're doing great. Well, to begin with, let's have a small exercise. I want everyone who's on the screen, off the screen, listening to me right now, to raise your hands if you agree with my question. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. How many of you have heard this? See, most of us have heard about it, but have you ever thought about, this in the terms of sacrifice? How sacrifice can be optimistic, how sacrifice can be positive in our life too. Well, to think about it, let me begin with, let's go back to that time where a proud mother sends her son, who's a soldier, to the border to save the country. She's sacrificing her son for the country because she doesn't know if her son is going to come back or not. Another thing which could be taken as an example is how we sacrifice our ego and anger to be in a happy relationship. Trust me, you will not be happy in a relationship where there's a lot of anger issues, where there's a lot of ego, problems, disputes, and all of that can be gone just by a simple sacrifice. A simple sacrifice can change your life in many different ways. Um, Many of us would take sacrifice in a negative way. The idea of sacrifice has become very cliche in our day-to-day lives. I mean, we're all so negative about it. We say कि sacrifice करने से मेरा life ऐसा हो जाएगा वैसा हो जाएगा. Why should I give up? However, certain times in life, it is important to make sacrifices. Before going ahead, I will share one simple sacrifice which I made in my life. That is, joining my hostel. It really takes a lot of guts to leave your home, to leave that comfortable environment, and to stay away from your parents. But I chose to make this sacrifice because I know that this sacrifice of mine is going to take me places in life. Here I am standing today in front of you, and I'm so glad that I am this individual today. Not that it wouldn't happen back home, but then coming to Geetam and taking up these opportunities and developing on myself and working on myself has been very, very, very positive to me in my life. Let's take another small example. There's a wheat grain and it is on the ground. If it sacrifices itself and it lets itself germinate, it will grow back into a big plant. The plant will give you more yield. So that one simple sacrifice of the wheat grain is going to give you a lot more in life. Think about sacrifice in that way. We always crib about things in life. We always go negative about things. We don't want to miss up on anything. We don't want to lose anything. But then certain times when you lose something very important to you, or when you lose something very valuable to you, trust me, there is something great waiting for you in life. I personally have experienced this many a times, where I feel bad about not getting into something, or not being able to perform something, or not being able to get selected. I think this happened when I wrote my NEET, my NEET examination, and I didn't make it through it. But trust me, today I'm here in Geetam pursuing my mass comm psychology and English degree, and I'm very, very, very happy with the way my life is going. So all I want to tell you people is, to take life optimistically and to take sacrifice optimistically. Because, sometimes when you give up on certain things, you are going to go great places. You never know what life has for you. It's always full of surprises. And like how Adi mentioned, saying that, ups and downs is the beauty of life. Surely, you have to experience both success and failure to move forward in life. Another few examples which we could take about sacrifices would be self-sacrifice, or sacrificing the pleasure for bigger goals, or sacrificing smaller goals at times in life. It is very important that we learn to let go things, that we learn how to be optimistic in life, and that we learn how to take small steps to go forward in life, or to go distance in life. Another thing I would expect from everyone who's listening to me here today is to give yourself time, because when you give yourself time, you're going to understand yourself better, and that's when you're going to be able to change your mindset into a positive one and go ahead and go to places in life. Another last thought I would share is, does anyone know the bookish meaning of sacrifice? Okay, I've come so far. I think, most of us have heard sacrifices, leave something valuable to you, you know, give this off, give that off, but it doesn't work that way. Life, is never certain. So it's better to live in the moment, to enjoy everything you have, to love yourself to the fullest, to try fulfilling all your goals, not put expectations on things, and to be happy and live a life, which you always desired to have. Because at the end of the day, you should have that satisfaction when you go back to your bed. Thank you all. That's it for today. And I love you all so much, sending a lot of strength to you all, and take care.